Alan Watts was a British philosopher, writer, and speaker who popularized Eastern philosophy for a Western audience. He was known for his unique way of explaining complex ideas in a simple and relatable manner. In his book, The Book, On the Taboo Against Knowing Who You Are, Watts explores the concept of consciousness and how it relates to our understanding of the world around us. One of his most famous quotes is "Everything's consciousness." But what does that mean? Alan Watts. When we talk about consciousness, we're not just talking about our individual awareness of the world. We're talking about the fundamental nature of reality itself. According to Watts, everything in the universe is interconnected and part of a larger consciousness. This means that our individual consciousness is not separate from the consciousness of the universe. In fact, it's all one and the same. This idea challenges our traditional understanding of the world as a collection of separate objects and entities. Instead, it suggests that everything is connected and part of a larger whole. Alan Watts believed that by recognizing our interconnectedness with the world around us, we can live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. So the next time you're feeling disconnected or lost, remember that everything is consciousness and you are part of a larger whole. If you're interested in learning more about Alan Watts and his philosophy, we highly recommend checking out his book, The Book, On the Taboo Against Knowing Who You Are. In this book, Watts explores the nature of consciousness and how it relates to our understanding of the self and the world around us. By reading this book, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and how you can live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. As Alan Watts once said, the only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the concept of consciousness and how it relates to your own life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on philosophy and self-improvement. See you in our next video.